All right, guys, today we're going to be working on elevator assembly step 9. What we're going to do is dimple elevator rib 4. We're going to dimple the first 11 holes. I've gone ahead and made a mark. We're going to stop dimpling. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Elevator assembly step 9 took 30 minutes. Total build so far, 55 hours. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.